Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on your Free Fire Max application. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Free Fire Max app on your device, and once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right. Now, from the settings menu, go ahead and select Account and Basics from the left-hand side and scroll all the way down until you see the browser cache option. Tap the clear button right next to it and click on confirm. After you do that, you will be able to clear out the cache from your Free Fire Max application. And that is how you will be able to clear out the browser cache from your Free Fire Max account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.